See, I've been waiting. Waiting on that time. Feel me if you've been waiting on yours. That moment, it's close. It's close. It's close.
Yeah. Tired of living day to day like everything's alright. Just waiting on that moment. Waiting on my moment. Waiting on my moment.
Old dude met mom, it was on. Then he named me over a phone. Prison term, live and learn, sipping syrup with my vision blurred. Take this cup of reality in the earth. When you start from the bottom, you can see the top. So when you get to it, don't let them see the spot. Next thing you know, you're looking for a rent sign. Upper echelon, we skip line. I remember reminiscing in the kitchen like, I wonder when them Braves gon' win it. I wonder when them Falcons gon' get here. Pyrex vision made more than I ever made with DTP this year.
Tired of living day to day like everything's alright. Every night just one thing on my mind. I'm just waiting on that moment. Waiting on my moment. You say, oh, you got that? Oh, hell no, next time that's mine. As long as I stay hustling, I'm gon' shine. And just waiting on that moment. Waiting on my moment.
Waiting on my moment, bad, so I'm showing it. Time came and I owned it, just like Brian Jackson start bowling. When I touched the rock and I cracked the block, when I pulled up and that mustard drop with that roof off and my shoes off and your roof off. Real in my hood, who everybody gon' roof off. They see me come from that bottom, where everybody get bodied. They told me get him, I got him. Now I'm here, like yeah, this Rolls Royce and Bugattis and M4s this year. If I don't grind, I don't shine. If I don't shine, then I don't eat. If I don't eat, then I'ma starve. And if I'ma starve, I pour on all y'all rich. If I don't make no money, I'm gon' take your money.
Tired of living day to day like everything's alright. Every night just one thing on my mind. I'm just waiting on that moment. Waiting on my moment. You say, oh, you got that? Oh shit, hell no, next time that's mine. As long as I stay hustling, I'm gon' shine. And just waiting on that moment. Waiting on my moment.
Since life ain't promised tomorrow, live it up, live it up, live it up. Be a fool to come this far. Give it up, give it up, give it up. Oh no, I won't give it up, give it up, give it up until I have it all. Yeah.
Tired of living day to day like everything's alright. Every night just one thing on my mind. I'm just waiting on that moment. Waiting on my moment. You say, oh, you got that? Oh shit, hell no, next time that's mine. As long as I stay hustling, I'm gon' shine.